Guys, look what we found in Indiranagar. A new gelato truck. Let's check it out.
These are Milano and First Truck new limited edition flavor. Strawberry matcha and chocolate hazelnut.
This is super exciting. Let's check out the watch and the ice cream.
Bro, this Fast Track Gelato collection is so unique.
I love the chocolate hazelnut one.
Here are your gelatos.
Thank you.
It's silky as always and the hazelnut just takes it to another level.
Matcha lovers, this is what we needed.
Everyone needs more of these gelatos. True that.
Okay, we wanted more, but both our flavors are sold out. Let's go to Milano. And we're here.
Guys, these deserve a permanent spot on Milano's menu.
So come and petition if you want them to stay forever. Also, these watches match these flavors perfectly.
Bro, this is motivation to do another set of burpees for an extra scoop.
One scoop, 150 burpees. Let's do this. Share this with someone who would do burpees for one scoop.